Did you know someone actually came to the ER because they had hiccups for 2 hours? 2 hours! They were convinced their brain was shutting down or their diaphragm was failing. Sir, you literally just ate lunch too fast. But here's when hiccups are serious. If they last more than 48 hours, that could mean nerve damage, stroke, or even a brain tumor. Also, if they come with chest pain, trouble swallowing, or fever. Otherwise, hold your breath and save yourself the copay. Follow for more ridiculous ER stories that'll make you feel better about your life choices.